Hey there, everybody. I'm CNY Central First Alert Meteorologist Matt Stevens. I hope this early to mid part of the work week is going well for you. Weather-wise, we hit a high of 85 degrees at the Syracuse-Hancock Airport for our Tuesday. That's a little above average. 82 degrees is typically where we get up to this time of the year. It's significant, though, just because of what we have in the works for our Wednesday forecast. Hit a high of 85 for Tuesday. We're only forecasting a high of 70 degrees for our Wednesday, so a good 15 degrees cooler compared to what we hit for our Tuesday. 68 degrees our low temperature early Tuesday morning. That's above average. 61 degrees is our typical drop-off point this time of the year. Our records are 98 and 50. Both of those are safe. Rainfall 0.28, or just a little bit over a quarter inch of rain officially at the Syracuse-Hancock Airport. And that means for what we call meteorological summer, or the time frame since June 1st, we have a surplus of rain that's now back up to about 2.5 inches. So we're running above average, but it's by about 2.5 inches, which is still down ultimately from our peak of surplus, which was at nearly 4 inches at one point at the Syracuse-Hancock Airport earlier this summer. So here's a fastcast to get you through late tonight. Spotty evening showers and thunderstorms turning isolated overnight. Some patchy fog and drizzle developing. Overnight lows from the low to middle 60s. 70 degrees is our projected high for our Wednesday. I'm going to call it clouds. They're giving way to some breaks of sunshine. I call it a mix of sun and clouds and breezy. And look at how much cooler and drier we are at 70 degrees. Here's our comfort scale. Remember, we turn to the dew point to figure out how comfortable or uncomfortable the air mass is. And in this case, our dew points have been running recently in the mid to upper 60s between humid and oppressive. Clearly, neither of those are very comfortable. However, the air mass coming in behind that cold front that moves through late tonight, we're going to have dew points that are in the dry range or even below that, 50 degrees and possibly into the 40s at times. That's going to be a remarkably different feel to the atmosphere. Here's our futurecast. Going to pick this up at midnight. Going to run this out through 8 o'clock in the morning. And you'll note how we kind of didn't zoom this up quite correctly, but the point is we're going to be out of the showers and thunderstorms, and we're going to be moving into a much cooler, drier air mass coming up. So here's my hour-by-hour forecast. Heading through this evening, spotty showers and thunderstorms. It's going to be a humid one this evening, 72 degrees by 11 o'clock. Going to bottom out overnight, probably in the low to middle 60s. Showers and thunderstorms turning isolated. Patchy fog and drizzle developing late tonight. That patchy fog and drizzle early on our Wednesday. Otherwise, a mix of sun and clouds developing, breezy, cooler. We're going to call it 67 degrees by 11 o'clock. I think we top out in the afternoon right around 70 degrees. By this time of the year standards, 70 degrees is probably just about 12 degrees below average. It's going to be a remarkably different feel to the atmosphere for our Wednesday. Here's the 7-day forecast. Got quite a bit going on here. Breezy, 70 comfortable degrees for our Wednesday. 50 degrees for Wednesday night. Going to be actually a little on the cool side for this time there. Typically, we're dropping down to the lower 60s, over 10 degrees cooler than that for our overnight low Wednesday night into early Thursday morning. Through the day Thursday, mostly sunny skies, 76 pleasant degrees. It's going to be a very comfortable feel to the atmosphere on Thursday. For Friday, we warm things up a little bit, low to mid 80s, but still, dew points aren't all that high, so it should be fairly pleasant by this time of the year standards, mostly sunny skies. For Saturday, it looks like we're going to start to sneak some mugginess back up in here. Could mean an isolated afternoon shower or storm at 84 degrees. More numerous showers and thunderstorms late Saturday night through much of the day Sunday, humid at 79 degrees. A muggy 74 for Monday, just an isolated shower, then drying out again for Tuesday, mostly sunny at 74.